Okay, so doing here an unboxing video of Google Home Mini. Just got it today. Gonna try it out. Okay, so this is, little commands, and it's also Google Assistant built in. Just little quick reminders, small and mighty. Track your day, make hand-free calls, enjoy your entertainment, voice control your home, and then apps they work with. So here we go. I already opened it. So here is the little Google Mini. I already took it out and got it dirty. Ain't that something? Okay, so here it is. Ooh. Got the USB port. And I guess the volume. Well, the voice. Okay. So we got the let's get started. Plug it in, get the app, get to know your Google Home Mini. Just some support stuff, living room, all that good stuff. And it's just warranties. Now we got the charger. Oh, this is so cute. I'm getting like a iPhone vibe from this kind of charger, white. But it's just a USB charger. Yep. With the little Google logo on it. Okay. And then what else do we have in here? I believe that is it. Yep. That is it. So I'm about to fire this bad boy up and see what I can do. Thanks so much for watching the unboxing video of the Google Home Mini. I actually just bought a camera as well, so I'm gonna review that. Well, show you guys that in a while, and see if I can hook that up to it as well. All right.